Ready for a time-traveling journey? Today, we have several fascinating devices to review. Each of them was once highly desirable and now sparks nostalgia. I found all of these forgotten gadgets in dumpsters, and while they may seem outdated, some still have surprises in store. But don't write them off just yet. Let's go. Let's start with the Philips Extreme CD player, which was once a great option for music lovers on the go. The first commercial CD was released in 1982, and mass-market CD players followed in 1984. It features electronic shock absorption for skip-free playback and dynamic bass boost. Back in the day, this was a high-quality device, but in the era of digital music and streaming, CD players have become a rare sight. However, if you still have a collection of discs, it's a fantastic way to relive those times. Next, we have the Wexler T7002 e-reader. This 7-inch device was designed for comfortable reading. The first mass-produced e-readers featured monochrome LCD screens and were released in 1998. Over time, they evolved, introducing full-color displays and expanded functionality. When I found this one, it was covered in makeup powder and wouldn't charge. I had to replace the battery. Now it works perfectly again. The Assistant TR998 Pocket Electronic Translator was a lifesaver for travelers before the era of Google Translate. Supporting 8 languages, it also includes a phone book, schedule, local and world time, a calculator, and a notebook function, pretty advanced for its time. Switching gears to photography, the Nikon Coolpix L100 is a compact digital camera from the late 2000s. With a 15x optical zoom and a 10-megapixel sensor, it was once a solid choice for capturing high-quality images before smartphones took over. Despite its age, it still delivers decent shots and the zoom remains impressive. Finding one in a dumpster is a rare treat. Moving on to radios. We have two, Precision PS298 and Manbo AS268. Both are mini-sized, feature automatic station scanning, and have built-in flashlights. The first mass-produced pocket radio appeared in 1954, while FM radio technology started developing actively in the 1930s. Next, the Opera OP7022 portable DVD player, which also functions as a TV viewer. It features a built-in screen, speakers, and a rechargeable battery, making it a standalone multimedia device. You can even play video games on it. There should be a remote control, but I found mine without one. While it's more of a relic now, if you have DVDs lying around, it's a great way to relive the past. Now, let's talk about portable sound. The Devoom Eiderboom is a compact speaker that was once popular due to its small size and impressive sound quality. It runs on a built-in battery, has an aux input, and features an SD card reader, delivering surprisingly good audio for its size. Closing our review is the Gialli JL368 cassette player, perfect for bringing old magnetic recordings back to life. The first mass-market cassette player, the Sony Walkman, was released in 1979 and revolutionized personal audio. Unfortunately, mine is missing the battery compartment cover. That's our collection of gadgets, rescued from the trash. Some of them are completely outdated, but they can still be useful in certain situations. Which of these devices do you have? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.